Hello, boys and girls. I am Ms. Moran, and welcome back to your math lesson. Remember, all of this week, we are reviewing our 2D shapes. So let's do a quick review, and then I'll show you what your homework is. Okay, so for today's activity, I want to play a little game. We're going to try to guess what shape I am talking about, okay? So I'm going to give you some clues, and you're going to try to think, what shape am I talking about? It could be any of the 2D shapes that we have gone over, all right? You ready? Okay. So this shape has no sides, 0 sides, and it has 0 corners, okay? And it's curved, and it can look like a ball. What shape do you think I'm talking about? 0 sides, 0 vertices, and kind of looks like a ball. If you said circle, then you are correct. All right, so let's go to the next shape. Okay, so this shape has 3 sides and 3 corners, all right? And kind of looks like a slice of pizza. Not the whole pizza, but a slice of pizza. What 2D shape do you think I'm talking about? If you said triangle, you are correct. The triangle does have 3 sides and 3 vertices. Okay. On the next shape, this one has 4 sides and 4 corners or vertices. And it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And some people may say that it kind of looks like a dollar bill. What shape am I talking about? Think about that one. If you said rectangle, you are correct. Okay, our next 2D shape. This 2D shape has no sides and no vertices. So 0 sides and 0 vertices or 0 corners. It's also curved. The lines are curved around. And some people might think that it's shaped kind of like an egg. Or an egg is kind of shaped like this shape. What shape do you think it is? If you said oval, you are correct. Okay, the next one. This shape has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The vertices are the corners, and all of its sides are the same size. And some people may think that a slice of cheese looks like this shape. A slice of cheese. What shape am I? If you said square, you are correct. Good job, guys. Okay, so this is the last shape I'm going to talk to you about, or you're going to try to guess. This shape has 4 sides and 4 vertices, 4 corners too. And a lot of people may say that a diamond is shaped like this shape that I'm talking about. Which one do you think it is? Rhombus, correct. If you say rhombus, you are correct. Good job. Okay, so now that we played that game, I want to talk about 3 new 2D shapes that we haven't talked about before. And so I want to show you a picture and talk about them. This first shape that I want to talk about is called a pentagon. Pentagon. And a pentagon has 5 sides. Let me see. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. A pentagon also has 5 vertices or corners, and I'll point at them. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this shape is called the pentagon. Can you say pentagon? Pentagon. Good job. Okay. The next new shape I wanted to show you is the trapezoid. The trapezoid also has 4 sides, and I'll count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. It also has 4 vertices or corners, which are 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is a trapezoid. Okay. The last 2D shape I wanted to talk about with you today is called the hexagon. hexagon. Can you say hexagon? Good job, hexagon. The hexagon has 6 sides. We'll count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And it also has 6 vertices or 6 corners, which are right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops, 5 and 6. So this is the hexagon. All right. So now that we went over those new shapes, I want to show you what we're going to do for homework today. Okay, let me go over your homework. So for today, I want you to choose one 2D shape, your favorite one if you want. And I want you to draw it on a piece of paper. And then after you draw it, I want you to practice cutting. So I want you to cut that shape and then glue it on another paper. And then on the bottom, I want you to write the name of that shape. Your mom can help you with writing the name of the shape. I would like for her to tell you letter by letter how to write it instead of you copying it. I would like for her to help you by telling you the letter or the letter sound. So I'm going to show you a couple of examples. Like here, I did the oval. So I drew the oval and I cut it and then I wrote it. Which way am I? This way. Okay, so then I wrote it. Oval. That's what it says right there. Here's another example. I did the rectangle. So I drew the rectangle myself and I cut it, I glued it, and then I wrote the word rectangle on the bottom. So there's just several examples. Here is the heart. I think I did a lot of them. Here is the triangle. Here is the circle. This one is the rhombus. Okay, so choose one. I'll try to explain it in Spanish so your mom, or whoever's helping you, will be able to understand what we're doing. So, para la tarea de hoy quiero que los niños dibujen una forma que sea de 2 dimensiones. La que ellos quieran dibujar en un papel y luego la van a cortar para practicar, para que practiquen a cortar y lo van a pegar en otro papel. Después van a escribir abajo el nombre del, de la forma. Y un ejemplo, cuando escriban el nombre, prefiero en vez de que usted lo escriba en un papel y ellos lo copien, prefiero que les digan los sonidos de estrellitas. Como por ejemplo, le puede decir, es la T, la T de tortuga, tortuga, y que ellos lo escriban para que así también estén practicando a reconocer las letras y sus sonidos. O también si él ya sabe el sonido o ella le puede decir la letra T para que así practique a los nombres de las letras, ¿ok? Y hace esto, le toma una foto y no lo manda para atrás. Okay, so once you're done with your work, take a picture of it and send it in to your teacher or to myself. Remember, you only need to do one. If you want to do a lot of them, you can do a lot of them so that you can glue them on or tape them to your wall and you can practice at home looking at your shapes. But for me, for homework, I'm only asking for one. So it's up to you if you want to do more or not. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and that you have fun drawing and cutting and gluing and writing the name of your shape. I will see you here next week. You have a good weekend. Bye-bye.